Okay, we got 2 planes coming. Right about now, 2 of them. We got one over there right now. It's United. That over there coming across there is United. It's United coming in from Washington Knowles. An Embraer, little Embraer E-145. He's down there making his way over to land from Washington Knowles. And then we got, and then right behind him will be, and then right behind him is the Delta from the LaGuardia, the CRJ 900. Right behind, will be right behind him. They're both having to be, these are both runway 1 arrivals here. Both runway 1 arrivals. It's just doing so well. Coming around. Coming in right now. From Washington Knowles. And then we get the LaGuardia right behind them. These are runway 1 arrivals here. You might see another plane too. You might catch another plane. You might catch a plane. You can catch some planes high up as well. Like maybe a Lufthansa A350 going north from Munich. We'll always see him. We'll probably be able to get him. I think that we will get him in there. Alright, there's him. The one from LaGuardia is going to show up right behind him. It's going to show up right behind him. Be showing up right behind him. There's probably an Embraer American going down to LaGuardia. I think from Burlington or wherever he's coming from. Might see him up there too. Might see him up there as well. Gonna hold on and wait. Then we gotta wait and see for the other one. We gotta wait for the one from LaGuardia. Gonna be waiting for him to show up. He'll be coming. Oh, I see the one going down to LaGuardia. I see him up there. Trying to see if we can get it on here. I can't get it on here. I'm trying to get him on here. Trying to get him on here, but I can't. There we go. There he is. Right down there, that flashing light there. It's an American Embraer. Going down to LaGuardia, I guess from Burlington, I would say. I see Delta from LaGuardia making his way in. Delta from LaGuardia making his way in. Down there. Down there, coming down there. Next, another runway 1 arrival, Delta from LaGuardia, CRJ 900. Yep. Probably still got that American Embraer still over there. Probably not like I would stay recording. I would keep this video recording until that A350. Until the A350. Until the A350 goes by. So we'll get him. We'll get the A350 Lufthansa. It's a Delta. Right here, everybody. Flying over. From LaGuardia. The Delta Connection. CRJ 900. Alright. Oh, there is the, hold on there. Hold on, we got the Lufthansa A350 right there. There's the Lufthansa A350 going down. And there he goes going down, the Lufthansa A350. Right up there. Yes, so let's get going. It's pretty good. This is pretty good. It's a good one. 2 planes. With a plane heading down to LaGuardia, one heading down to Newark, and two runway 1 arrivals here into Albany Airport. Well, yes. This is pretty good. Alright. Alright, I think we're gonna go. Goodbye. Bye. Gonna get going now. Bye. Let me see if I can get that. Still get that A350 and see if I can still get that A350 going on here. See if I can still find an A3. Oh. Guess I can't get it. So, gotta go now.